Hello, this is KC from KC Boomer Tech, also known as Grandpa, where we talk about everything tech, fun stuff, and much, much more for you. Hey, listen, everybody's been stuck at home with this COVID-19 crisis. We've had to set up home offices, schooling, everything else. And a lot of us are not computer savvy and don't know anything about what we're doing. But we've muddled through it. Now, one of the most important things that you should be checking or should check in the future is checking your firewall on your computer. And I'm going to get into how to do that, make sure it's operational. So, let's get to it. But before we do it, consider subscribing to the channel. Go down over here and do that little subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you know the next time that I've got a video for you, you can know about it. So let's get to it right now. Hello again, and welcome back to KC Boomer Tech. Anyway, like I said, a lot of people have been working at home with this COVID-19 crisis. They've been doing schoolwork on their kids. They've been stuck on using their computers, and many of you are not computer savvy. So the one important thing that you need to check periodically to make sure, or at least check once, is that your firewall is operational and fully working. And why do you need to do that? That is your gatekeeper on your computer that protects you from intruders, from people going into your computer and looking at information that you don't want them to see. You don't want them to look at your bank accounts. You don't want them to look at various things in your computer. You don't want them to take control. And at the same time, you may want to control where your people in your household are doing. If you have teenagers in the house, you want to make sure they're not going to porn sites and things of that nature. So that's why you have a firewall and set it up and control it. So let's go to that real quick. When you have the Windows screen up here, and you can see I'm here at the search bar. If you had Windows 7 or Vista, you would go over here and go to the Start menu. And basically, you're going to type firewall. Now you can check over here, and you see it says check firewall status. That's important. And what you're looking at here is basically, if you had a private network or a guest network, you're able to go in here and make sure that it's operational, that it's on, and it's fully functional. The other thing you can also do is change the notification settings. Make sure that, so that if somebody tries to go in there and turn off your firewall, you'll be able to control that. Also, this would be used if you're installing a program and for some reason it's asking for access to the web and it's asking you to turn off your firewall momentarily so it can get the information it needs. That's where you would go and control that. Very simple, easy to do. So I hope this has been helpful for you. It's a good thing to check it. I check it at least once a month. Some people want to check it as frequently as once a week when they have kids in the house and they're going out searching. I hope that this has been helpful for you. And until next time, again, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that little bell. So the next time I have some information for you, you'll be notified that I'm online. Thanks a lot and have a great day.